guys, this is Mark Roemke with Ninja Training TV. Today we are going to go over Musha Dori and Musha Dori basics so that you guys can have a deeper understanding of what to do with your body and with your taijutsu, your full body movement. Okay, so Musha Dori could be done many different ways. One of my favorite ways to teach this one is that if somebody's coming in with like a hook punch and coming in with strength, I can get here, come down into my legs, have my hands be up in a good position and put my block up. My arm needs to be forward so that I can absorb this shot. I can also be stepping back with this and checking this other back hand, pushing it against his body as I go. Then I drop over and hook with my body. I could drop to a knee to do this Musha Dori take. So on this side, I'm here, block, hook, and drop to a knee, and I could do the take. If the person is throwing this hook punch, I can hook and drop in here and then kick a leg and do a different type of a takedown. I don't always have to go down to the knee. One of the things that I like to do with this is to hook and then turn my body with a spin because I'm in the middle and they're going to go faster around me. Another way that I've got to see Pedro do this one while I was in Japan, he's an amazing martial arts guy as well, as he came in, did this block hook and jumped down and took the person just with this huge jump going down into the ground. All of his weight goes down and the taijutsu is there. So those are some really fun ways for you guys to think about this. Let's just work on the mechanics now. After this block, I'm coming with my body to hook over. Common mistake, if we turn this way, when people are scooping the arm, is they'll scoop too far towards the tricep. He can just drop his weight into his elbow and he can counter this. Or they'll scoop too far up towards the wrist and I don't have as much power, he can scoop down as well. I want to try to line my arm up underneath his elbow, and now I have a really good lever point here. So notice, if I'm up high in my legs, it's all arm strength for me trying to do this. And if you're going against a bigger opponent, it won't work. If you drop into your center, use your spine and hips, all the torque is there. Then we can do nasty throws like this up front, let his arm go so he doesn't break it. Okay, so then we have these off of a grab. If the person grabs, I could swing this hand out, do a slap to the face, check the other hand, drop this arm in, and twist and turn. One more time, he grabs. I come out with that same arm that's on that side, a check to his face, follow up with the other hand, drop that arm, sink, and twist and turn, and there he goes, off to the side. So the formal way to do these, we hook up in kumiuchi. I can either pull the person off balance, going for the front arm, or I can pull the person off balance and shoot in for the back arm. You'll notice there are challenges with either direction that you go, but I'm going in at angles instead of straight back. So there's another beginner mistake that we'll go over with Musha Dori from this position. If I go straight back, I'm on my heels, he can keep pushing me, and he has more control than I do. If I step out at an angle, now I can drive and push like I'm drawing a bow with both my hands here, and I can twist his body. This dropping into my legs then gives me good kamae, and it's easy for me to come over and hook, or headbutt and come back and grab that backhand and come up with some sort of a take. Thank you, Kyle. So these are some concepts of Musha Dori, warrior take, off of a punch, off of a grab, off of a lapel grab, and then off of kumiuchi. Those are basic ways to really feel this out. One of my friends who's a prison guard uses this move a lot. When they go in, prisoners are bored, they're just going to start to fight for no reason. It's their entertainment. They go in to handle it, and they're just coming, and he blocks all the time and grabs them up, and then more guards come in, they do the same thing. So he's like, Musha Dori works for real life, and you should practice it. You're going to take some hits on the way in, so you should get used to be doing that as well. But you're going to get that amazing scoop, and you're going to be using your body and your taijutsu in order to take that person down. When you use your weight and your spine and your hips effectively, it makes you 3 times stronger than if you're just using your muscles. So this is why we talk about taijutsu a lot in ninjutsu. It's how smaller people used to be able to fight larger people. And through time, learning angling, distancing, and timing, and levers, it all gives you an advantage if you're a smart martial artist. So please practice these techniques and have fun with them, and really get somebody that you want to throw around a little bit and get into it with. It's so much fun when you start to dial these in. You can do them slow at first, slow as smooth, smooth as fast, but then really start to amp up your training and have fun with it. Hope you guys like these tips and tricks with Musha Dori. If you want more, please follow the links below. And as always, keep training.